Hello, everybody, and welcome to NEET Mentor. The counseling schedule got published for INICET to 2021 July session counseling, and I will tell you in this video all the important dates uh, when the counseling is going to start and which round is on which date. So, if you are new to the channel, you can subscribe the channel and hit the like button. And we do also provide the paid counseling services for INICET 2021, so that if there is any way, any chance for you to get your desired branch through the counseling process, you don't miss it or you don't do any mistake. In case you are not able to get the seat through INICET, the service will continue for NEET PG. After you write the exam, you get the result for NEET PG, and for all the counseling processes for government, private, deemed diploma and all CPS, FCPS. So let's jump into the section of the video where we will see how you can see the schedule and what is the schedule. So you need to visit the same website, aimsexams.ac.in, and once you scroll you will see a notification, schedule of online seat allocation for admission to PG courses of INICET. So just click on it. It will show the download one PDF, and the PDF will open for you. So here you can see the notice got published on 27th of July, and it has the schedule for admission into PG courses of INIs for July 2021 session. So schedule of online seat allocation including mock round. So they have given one mock round so that you get an idea about the counseling process. If you are attending the counseling process after like MBBS and it has been more than 5 years, then you might have kind of like some doubt or confusion. So that's why they give mock round, and mock round is also important to get you an idea that after selection of the choices by all the candidates, means what changes you need to do, and you will get to know that based on your rank what you are getting, and then you can correct the mistakes when you're doing the actual counseling. Okay, so schedule of first round of online seat allocation including mock round is starting from 6th of August. Okay, and from 11 a.m. and the announcement of result for the mock round will be on 9th of August. So first round of actual choice filling will be starting on 10th, and you can do up to 11th, so you have like 2 days of time. Announcements of result for first round will be on 16th. Okay, and then acceptance of seat allocation, and the reporting and submission of documents, security deposit and all will be happening until 21st of August. Then second round of counseling, seat allocation counseling will start, and choice filling, the main thing is choice filling. How you do the choice filling, based on that only you will get the seat allocation. It will start on 26th of August next month, and the reporting is on 1st of September. Okay, and then after second round there is one more round, open round of online seat allocation. So tentative vacancy in different subjects after the second round will be available, and choice filling and registration will be starting on 7th of September. And you can see the last date of counseling, that is last process of the counseling process, date of reporting after open round is on 18th of September after PG exam. Okay, so you can do both things parallelly. Your preparation you can continue if you haven't got very good rank, and you can continue doing counseling process as well. So if you have any kind of doubt, you can let us know. You can send a WhatsApp number, send a message on WhatsApp number 9319128677, or you can call us as well. Okay, so thanks for watching and have a great day.